Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is I will teach you on how to program in Miniper 1024. As you can see, we have two palettes. There are full color with 54 by 1 watts, so 3 watts. Yes, it's 3 watts, 3 watts. Now first I will select their fixture. Well, previously we've already patched their fixture here. I addressed that one, and this is 8. So we open them. We need to select their address there. Over here is our, we have 16 feeders for our attribute keys. This further one is for our dimmer. You can see over here. If you want to know what's the name of this fader, you can see over here. We press the dimmer and the screen. There's a B because the dimmer, this is the A, B, and next the iris shutter, this is iris shutter A, B. Tilt pan A, B. So it means one attribute, two keys, two feeders at one attribute. Yes. So let's open the dimmer. You can use the slide or the wheels until you see in the display. You open it. It must be 255. Or you can use the feeder. Look, if I use the feeder, you can see at the screen it's 255. Now the dimmer is on. So today let's try to use their color. Before I tell you guys, I have to tell you something, because I made my own personality. So you need to build a personality first. I put the RGB on the 915 channel. And by the way, this is a 1 to 20 channel. If you can see here, it's 1 to 8 because it is 8 attributes at a time. And if we don't have enough attributes or channel, we can select next attributes there. So I put my color on the next attribute, and it's here at the tilt pan. You need to select that. Go here, tilt pan. There's a red, green, blue. The tilt pan starts with 5-6 tilt pan. So this is our red. Now it's red, green, blue. For example, my scene is like that. So now let's save this on the playback to make our program. But first of all, if you create a new program, there's one biggest important tips I will give you guys. You need to reset all the faders before you create another program. So there's a bug on this. Now, for example, my scene is like that. So now let's save it. We press the scene button and we choose where do we want to save. playback on page A and slot 1. So for now I'll choose playback 10. So press 10 there. Now we need to exit and clear. Now we try to use it there. So it is just easy. Let's summary. First, let's do. First, choose a fixture. Open the dimmer. See, that's what I'm telling you earlier. Always reset the faders. Second, reset the fader. When you're done reset, now you can make another program. So after you choose a fixture, open the dimmer. Now make whatever you want. I want to open the green there. After that, press scene and choose the playback. Press clear or exit clear and you're done. Simple as that is. Simple as it. There. Again. To create another program, step 1, choose a fixture. Step 2, reset all the attributes of faders. Step 3, open dimmer. Step 4, make whatever you want. I want red. If that's what you will want on the scene, next scene, press scene to fade. Choose playback where you want to put your program. Exit clear, you're done. See, it's very easy for beginners. Now let's try the palettes. They are the same. We can put them program, but we can put their program, but we can use the fader because it's a fixed playback. So let's try it. Just the same procedure. Choose a fixture, reset the faders, reset the attributes, so there's no anomaly program. And then I want amber. After it's up. If you're okay with your scene, press scene and choose a palette we want to. I want here. After that, you can exit clear. And now to use it, just press once. You cannot. It's not on faders. It's a fixed playback. So we only just press the palette. There. You can use it, but we can turn it off. If you want to turn it off, you just press clear. Oh, but no, the next event I want to change my there's another program, but I don't want to delete this. I only just want to edit my program for the next venue. Just very basic. For example, I want this playback to edit. I only want to, for example, I want to change this into pink. So let's choose the fixture and we go make it pink. your P. After that, just the same procedure. Press scene. If it's not okay, press scene and press the playback you wanted it to edit or change. After that, you can see the screen. It's a merge scene or replace. If you want to edit because you had you got the wrong color, you can only press merge. It's the replace is what only you choose a fixture that's only will save on the playback. So it's better to use merge. After you press merge, there, it's it clear. Now we can see. Basic. Did you get it? Okay, let's summary. Wait again. Now let's make it orange. Okay. Choose the slide. Choose that fixture. Change the color. Make orange. Now it's orange. When it's okay, press scene. After the scene, press the playback you want to change. Then press merge. After you press merge, exit clear. Then voila, magic. Okay, last one, final. I want to make this white, the one white. So choose the fixture, make it white. Now it's, you can see it. I only make it cyan. Now it's okay. That's what I want. Press the scene. Choose the playback that you wanted to edit. Press it. Press merge. A. It's on the A. So I press A and exit clear. There. Basic. So that's how you program a playback. And I already show you how to